What's going on, guys? The Anthony here with Evolution Traders. In this video, we're going to cover a little bit of today's monster move. We're going to talk about how I need to stay more patient off the open. And we're going to go over the 20 SMA plays that did confirm today. If you guys have been following me on YouTube, you guys know that I preach and preach and preach and preach and rant about the 20 SMA strategy. It's a very simple strategy that you can use into your system that you already currently trade to help you give you a little bit more of an edge. Now, the reason, I'll start with myself first. Today, I was a little bit antsy off the gates. I tried to take an initial long a couple of times before seeing some structure. And what I was looking at was the pre-market highs. I was looking for those pre-market highs to get broken here at 6:50 in the morning, Pacific Standard Time. I'm in California, so all the time frames that I'm going to talk are going to be Pacific Standard Time. I was looking for that break of pre-market highs. Not only did we get it, I entered on a little bit too big a size, and on the pullback, okay, on the pullback, I ended up taking a $400 loss because I was sized too improper. That's my fault. We were still trading over the 20 SMA. We never really closed below a previous 5-minute candle. That was my fault. That's okay. I can battle back. It's happened before. Now, once we did backtest this 20-day moving average, I was looking at the previous time we tested the 20-day moving average, we bounced. We tested it once more and bounced. And once we started to come up yet again and we took out, right? We started to take out and test that area where I got trapped before. I noticed this candle here wicked me in once more, and then it pulled back and I got stopped out. So I was right on the overall move. The problem I had today was being sized way too large, way too large. So I've got a rule for myself. I need to see a little bit more market structure. So before I get ahead of myself, instead of being so antsy off the bell, I'm going to at least wait for 30 minutes off the open to kind of see what is starting to develop. And then I'd like to take my trades after 30 minutes and around that hour mark when the initial balance starts to set. Now, if I would have waited just a little bit longer, I would have seen the back test flush into this 50-day moving average. We had a hell of a lot of support all the way down to the 200. Everything was trending to the upside as far as moving averages. Everything was trending, telling us that we had potential. If we did take out the overnight session highs, there was nothing but open airspace all the way into a price of 18,968. We get a 20 SMA play here. It was a 26-point range. Not only did it confirm, but it confirmed for a 1-to-1, confirmed for a 2R, confirmed for a 3R, 4R, 5R, 6R, 7R, 8R. Essentially, you could have taken this first 20 SMA play, held it all day, and closed it out at the close. How many of us did that? Probably not a lot of us. How many of us caught this move? A lot of us, because I ended up not trading the funded accounts anymore, put myself on timeout. I went and bought 5 evaluation accounts with Apex and passed 4 of them. I failed 1 of them, blew it up because I was trading very, very large size, just getting through these evaluations. So need to get these 4 accounts activated, add that to the stockpile. The day goes on, we have more money to trade. The next setup didn't come until 11:15 in the morning. We backtested the 20 SMA once, we backtested it twice, no follow through, and then we confirmed at 11:15. This was only a 13-point range. It confirmed for a 1-to-1. There was a little scalp there. Next one was a 48-point range candle. That was 10 minutes into the close. So again, if you're looking for trades this far up in the day, you got something else going on, you know, especially when you missed 300 points here. However, this did confirm, gave you a little bit of a pop, and then kind of just gradually rose into the close. I don't think it gave you 48 points. But for the video's sake, the high was 19,068, and we closed at a price of 19,089. So almost 20 points into the close if you were in on this 20 play. The better opportunities, if you were not catching the 20 plays because it was just a trending day, was waiting for the back test into the 20 SMA and taking the bounce. Waiting for the back test into the 20 SMA, taking the bounce. Waiting for the back test, taking the bounce. Not looking at the red candle and thinking that this is the reversal and trying to short because you got trapped. Trying to short on a red candle, getting trapped. Thinking that it's time to roll over and getting trapped. Uh-oh, we're closing at the 20 SMA. Let's short this. We're going to make so much money. Nope, you get trapped. That was the theme of today. The people who were trying to short the market were getting trapped and the market was just grinding higher. The people who were buying bounces were making a lot of money. A lot of people out there experienced traders, great traders, lost a lot of money early, couldn't catch the move, and were a little hesitant on buying the bounces and maybe did not take advantage of the full potential. Okay. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see all of you guys in the next one. To those of you guys on YouTube, let's get me to 7,000 subscribers. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if it's the first time here. Also throw me a like. Let me know how you guys did today. Did you guys make some money? Did you guys lose some money? How did you do and finish overall on the day? To the rest of you guys in my room, I'll see you guys all in the room later.